Our Earth teems with life, from the smallest microbes to the largest whales. It's easy to take this abundance for granted, but have you ever stopped to wonder how it all began? The origin of life is one of the most fundamental and awe-inspiring mysteries in science. For millennia, this question has captivated philosophers and scientists alike. Myths and legends offered imaginative explanations, often invoking divine intervention. Today, science offers a more grounded, yet no less wondrous perspective. We are beginning to unravel the intricate tapestry of life's beginnings, using the tools of chemistry, biology, and geology. Our journey takes us back billions of years to a young Earth vastly different from the world we know. Imagine a planet still cooling, its surface a chaotic mix of volcanic activity and barren landscapes. The atmosphere was a toxic cocktail of gases, devoid of the oxygen we breathe today. Oceans, newly formed, churned with heat and dissolved minerals. It was in this seemingly inhospitable environment that the seeds of life were sown. The quest to understand how life arose from this primordial soup is a scientific detective story of epic proportions. We piece together clues from ancient rocks, fossils, and the genetic codes of living organisms. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the extraordinary chain of events that led to the emergence of life on our planet. Picture Earth's early oceans, rich in simple organic molecules like amino acids and sugars. These building blocks of life likely arose from chemical reactions powered by lightning, volcanic heat, or even the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Over eons, these molecules interacted and combined, driven by the laws of chemistry and physics. This process, known as chemical evolution, laid the foundation for life's emergence. Imagine these simple molecules bumping into each other in the primordial soup, forming increasingly complex structures. Like a cosmic dance of atoms and molecules, the stage was set for the emergence of something truly remarkable. The exact details of this process remain shrouded in mystery. But we know that over vast stretches of time, these chemical reactions led to the formation of larger, more intricate molecules. These molecules possessed novel properties, including the ability to self-replicate. This ability to create copies of themselves is a defining characteristic of life, marking a crucial turning point in Earth's history. From this point onward, the story of life is a tale of increasing complexity, adaptation, and diversification. It's a narrative written in the language of DNA, the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for all living organisms. But before DNA, there was another key player in the drama of life's origins: RNA. Imagine a time before cells, the fundamental units of life as we know it. In this pre-cellular world, the precursors to life were taking shape. These precursors, possibly simple RNA molecules or other self-replicating entities, existed in a world without membranes, exposed to the harsh conditions of the early Earth. But within this chaotic environment, a pivotal event occurred. The formation of the first cells marked a turning point in the evolution of life. These primitive cells, perhaps little more than simple membranes enclosing self-replicating molecules, provided a stable internal environment. This protection from the external world was crucial for the development of more complex life forms. Inside the protective embrace of the cell membrane, life's essential processes could unfold with greater efficiency and control. The cell became a microcosm, a miniature world where the delicate chemistry of life could flourish. The emergence of cells opened up a new chapter in the story of life. It allowed for the specialization of function, the development of metabolic pathways, and ultimately, the evolution of the intricate machinery that drives all living organisms today. In the early stages of life's evolution, DNA was not yet the primary genetic material. Instead, a simpler molecule called RNA played a central role. RNA, like DNA, can carry genetic information, but it is more versatile. Imagine RNA as a molecular multitasker, capable of both storing genetic information and catalyzing chemical reactions, much like enzymes do today. This versatility made RNA ideally suited for the early stages of life, where simplicity and adaptability were paramount. The RNA world hypothesis suggests that early life was dominated by RNA. In this world, RNA molecules performed the dual functions of genetic information carrier and catalytic enzyme. This hypothesis is supported by the fact that RNA still plays vital roles in the cells of all living organisms, from bacteria to humans. The discovery of RNA's catalytic abilities revolutionized our understanding of life's origins. It provided a plausible scenario for how early life could have functioned without the complex machinery of DNA replication and protein synthesis that we see today. Section 5. The Blueprint of Life, DNA. As life evolved, a new molecule took center stage: DNA. DNA, with its double helix structure, proved to be a more stable and reliable storehouse of genetic information than RNA. This stability was crucial for the evolution of more complex organisms with larger genomes. Imagine DNA as the ultimate blueprint of life, containing the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. These instructions are encoded in the sequence of 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T. The sequence of these bases dictates the production of proteins, the workhorses of the cell. Proteins carry out a vast array of functions, from catalyzing metabolic reactions to providing structural support. The transition from an RNA-based world to a DNA-based world marked a major leap in evolutionary sophistication. With DNA as the genetic material, life gained the ability to store and transmit vast amounts of information with remarkable fidelity. This paved the way for the emergence of the diversity and complexity of life that we see today. Section 6. From single cells to complex life. For billions of years, life on Earth consisted solely of single-celled organisms, such as bacteria and archaea. These microscopic pioneers thrived in a variety of environments, from the depths of the oceans to the surfaces of rocks. Then, around 2 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. Single-celled organisms began to cooperate, eventually leading to the evolution of the first multicellular organisms. Imagine cells coming together, specializing in different tasks and forming a cohesive whole. This transition from single cells to multicellular life was a monumental leap in evolution. It allowed for the development of specialized tissues and organs, enabling organisms to perform more complex functions. The emergence of multicellularity opened up a vast new realm of possibilities for life on Earth. From simple colonies of cells, life diversified into an astonishing array of forms. Plants, fungi, and animals emerged, each lineage branching out into a multitude of species, each exquisitely adapted to its niche. Section 7. The Cambrian Explosion, a Burst of Diversity. Around 540 million years ago, life on Earth underwent a dramatic transformation. In a relatively short period, known as the Cambrian Explosion, a dazzling array of new life forms appeared in the fossil record. This burst of diversity gave rise to most of the major animal groups we know today. Imagine a world teeming with bizarre and wonderful creatures, many unlike anything alive today. Trilobites scuttled across the seafloor, while giant Anomalocaris, with its spiny appendages, hunted its prey. The Cambrian Explosion was a period of unparalleled innovation in animal evolution. The causes of the Cambrian Explosion are still debated, but several factors likely played a role. Changes in ocean chemistry, increased oxygen levels, and the evolution of new developmental genes may have contributed to this remarkable diversification of life. The Cambrian Explosion stands as a testament to the power of evolution to generate novelty and complexity. It marked a turning point in the history of life, setting the stage for the evolution of all subsequent animal lineages. Section 8. A Universe of Possibilities. The story of life on Earth is a testament to the relentless creativity of evolution. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the intricate ecosystems we see today, life has continually adapted, diversified, and expanded into every available niche. But the story doesn't end there. Our understanding of life's origins on Earth has profound implications for the search for life beyond our planet. If life arose from non-living matter here, could it have happened elsewhere in the cosmos? The universe is vast, teeming with billions upon billions of stars and planets. Many of these planets likely have conditions suitable for life as we know it. Could some of these worlds harbor their own unique forms of life, perhaps based on chemistry different from our own? The possibility of extraterrestrial life is a tantalizing prospect that drives scientific exploration. From the search for microbial life on Mars to the detection of potentially habitable exoplanets, we are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and seeking answers to one of humanity's most fundamental questions: are we alone in the universe? Section 9. The Unending Quest. The quest to understand life's origins is an ongoing journey of discovery. Each new finding, each piece of evidence we unearth, brings us closer to comprehending the intricate processes that led to the emergence of life on our planet. Our tools for exploring this profound mystery are constantly evolving. Advanced imaging techniques, sophisticated genetic analyses, and the ability to recreate conditions of the early Earth in the laboratory are providing unprecedented insights into the origins of life. The search for answers takes us to the most remote corners of our planet, from ancient rock formations that hold clues to the early Earth to the depths of the oceans, where life may have first arisen. It also propels us to look beyond Earth, to other planets and moons that may harbor signs of life, past or present. The quest to understand life's origins is a testament to human curiosity, our innate desire to comprehend the universe and our place within it. It is a journey that transcends scientific disciplines, uniting biologists, chemists, geologists, astronomers, and philosophers in a shared pursuit of knowledge. Section 10. A Cosmic Perspective. Reflecting on the origins of life instills a sense of awe and wonder. We are part of an unbroken chain of life that stretches back billions of years to the very beginnings of our planet. Every living thing, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, shares a common ancestry, a connection to that primordial spark that ignited life on Earth. The story of life is a testament to the resilience, adaptability, and sheer improbability of the evolutionary process. From the chaotic mix of chemicals in the early Earth emerged something truly extraordinary: self-replicating molecules, the precursors to all life that followed. As we continue to explore the origins of life, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. We are part of a grand cosmic narrative, a story that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold today. The quest to understand life's origins is not merely an intellectual pursuit, but a journey of self-discovery. By unraveling the mysteries of our past, we gain a greater understanding of our present and glimpse the possibilities for our future. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you'd like to explore more wonders of the universe, subscribe to my channel for more awe-inspiring content.